Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create a reference axis in SolidWorks. To activate the reference axis, select the reference geometry and then select the axis. The first type I'm going to explain is the one line or one edge or one axis type. For that, you have to select any line or edge or axis. In this case, I'm going to select the edge. Select this edge. For example, let me select this edge such that the axis is created along these edges. And the second type I'm going to explain is the two planes type. For that, let me select the front plane and then the top plane using the control key. And now you see that my axis is created at the intersection of the two planes. Instead of this top plane, if I select the right plane, my axis is created vertically between the intersection of the front and the right plane. And the next type I'm going to explain is the two point or vertices. Here you can select points or vertex points. Let me select this vertex point and then this. And now you see that an axis is created between the two vertices which I have selected. By this way, you can create an axis by using the two point or vertex method. And for explaining the next one, I have drawn a circle and extruded it to a certain value. And here I'm going to select the axis, and here I'm going to select the cylindrical or conical face. So I'm going to select this outer cylindrical face such that my axis is created at the center of the cylinder. And the final type I'm going to explain is the point and face plane type. For that, let me select this point and then select any face. For example, if I select this face, and now you see that my point is created perpendicular to this face and passing through the point which I have selected. Instead of this face, let me select the other face. And let me select the stop surface here, and you notice that my axis is created perpendicular towards the face which I have selected and also passes through the vertex point. And that's it for the video. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.